They say we are everywhere. Still, we have nowhere to go. They say we could fill a country. Still, we have none to call our own. We came here when guns drew closer, and our streets were painted red. We came here when the rain went missing, and the heat left everything dead. Here is home, for now. Here is life, family by family. We reunite, but while closer to each other, with night comes the unknown. Surrounded by old memories, we're together, but still alone.
In many refugee camps around the world, life is confined to daylight hours, meaning many hours of the day are lost to darkness. With IKEA Foundation support, UNHCR is able to provide renewable energy solutions that make it possible for refugees to work and study, to fetch water, or to play with friends safely at any time. Help us bring light and energy to the many children and families who still live in the hope for a better and brighter future.